No, 7, right?
Yes. Car.
It's 6.
Okay.
6. 9. 8.
Guru.
Harry Potter, Harry Potter. Harry Potter, Harry Potter.
Ano?
Yung game na yan sa kanya, sa Atari ba dati? Or...
PlayStation. Ano yung Marvel vs. Capcom 2 ito? Baka makuha yung ano ito ang motor. Gawin ito isa ba yung
Fun car. Nine the Bells. Wala silang guest na mga singers.
Wala rin.
Wala. Pag EDC walang gano'n, no?
one time?
No?
Wala. Ay, iba. Yung ibang ano. Yung ibang...
Wala silang mga
pero
guest
hindi.
na ano. Nakagaya ni Justin Bieber.
Mid.
What does that mean?
Sticky grounds.
90 Bells.
Yeah, sound like that, Lee.
Me too.
That's my vibe right there.
I don't know it.
Like, you know, Hollister, American, what is that? American
American
Eagle.
Eagle.
American
That's
Eagle,
right.
Hollister
American
music,
Eagle.
you know? H&M.
Lobby music?
American Eagle. Hindi mo na-cute?
That?
Buti na lang siya, hindi ko pinalayo, makala kong pambawi. Lalo pala, Mariners.
Hey, you threw that.
Emotion.
I know.
My beauty.
Ay, dikit. Dikit.
Alam mo yung ano, combo? Bug. Ay, natawari ka na eh.
3 bells.
Dati usong-uso yan sa RF ko.
Oh, yeah, oh, yeah.
Yung naman, hindi sa PlayStation ba talaga? Hindi din sa mga Nintendo.
Hindi, Nintendo yun. Yeah, Marvel, may Nintendo.
PlayStation.
Hindi, tsaka may ito pa eh. May isa, Marvel, Capcom. Ay, may Capcom pala dati. Tapos naging Marvel versus Capcom.
9 ka.
Oh, piso nga lang siya. Dati, nag-araw di ba? Dapat naubos oras mo. Tapos, kaya kailangan marami kang piso, lalo na sa Rambo. Yung continuous game, di ba? Nag-conversion. Kaya nag-bilang 10 seconds. Kasi yung ginagawa, titipan ng kanali yung ano. Yung
Yung controller.
gagawin lang ng stick pala, tapos titipan yung ano coin, tapos gagawin na gagawin.
Two cars.
Tubo. So my defense team ready for action. Tukar.
What do you mean?
My defense team is
Oh,
ready for
this one?
action.
Is this one the defense or this one?
Defense.
Ako, naalala mo, kailangan magsulat.
Release.
Oh my.
Never mind. Tapos ni Tetong.
Hindi, ano yung gusto ko yung barilan? Combat? Hindi.
Kontra.
Contra.
Yun ang ano sa
Contra.
family computer.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ayun ka.
Cyber ako mga kanaya.
Patay. The second time we threw it, I said, forget it.
Store.
Gusto ko yung ano nung ano. Hanapin mo yung Jollibee flag.
Ay.
Cannot do it.
3.
Why?
2.
Huwag ka magpalit ng karakter pagka ano.
Ano ko ipapalit na karakter?
Hindi, pagka ano ka, pag mag-continue. Ayun.
We threw that. Oh, birdie. Ito pala.
Ano? I thought you saw it.
No!
Luna.
I thought it was ano. I thought it was gold.
Luna ata.
Oh, Luna yun. Ito sa akin yun.
I have it.
Hindi ko
Ano
maano.
yun?
No, I have one. I need 6 and 4 car. That's my puro.
4 car, I was about to throw 6 car.
Hindi ko kailangan yun. 6 or ano.
I know, see, look, I got 4. But I can take it out.
No,
Patay
it's
na
4,
pala,
5,
sir, oh.
6 eh.
Yeah.
At saka patay. Nag-iisa yan. Because dalawa na kay Lou. Sa akin isa buo.
Kasi kahit mabuhos ka, tatapon ko din.
Yeah, wala.
fair na.
Ha?
Ayaw,
No.
One ball na lang pala talaga po.
Yeah, kasi it's dalawa si Lou. You have 2, right? And I have 1.
I'm going for our 5 pairs in a house.
Pero yung palit ng character, ba?
You have 3 car, ha? And karang din puro dahil. Ay, hindi rin puro eh. Tangina, hindi man lang masitras yung forma. Oo. Kung nagkaroon ka siguro 7.
May nga nasa ito eh. Makakuha kayo yung mga isip.
Tapos mag-take chance.
Pahirapan ko. Ano mas gusto ko?
Sabi nga natin, kailangan natin eh.
Hindi na ano.
Ayun, parang yan din yung pwede. Taas ng palit. Bakit maaga ba? Ang gumano pala na rin naman yun. Four.
Why?
Pwede ako nataan.
4, 8, 12, 15. Isa
Oh, shit.
pa.
Baka sa hindi ka
This one? This one is it? Ano? Thank you. No man.
4, 8, 12, 17. No more, buddy.
Ano ko lang sila pa?
Oh, go.
Okay, go.
Pang-prop-top ko yun.
Ano tayo?
Ito nagpadala ko kay Tito Joe. Hindi lang ako nagdala kanina. Kasi marami tayo maliit malaki. Mix ang nabili ni Apple.
9 sticks.
Again.
9 ball.
Again. Nine bells. Kailangan mo yung Pinoy. 7, 8, 9.
Why? Why are you doing that, buddy?
Kanina hindi ka naman nag-Yossi doon, diba?
Isang din.
Yan ang hingi lang tayo sa kanya mo.
7 ka.
Hindi ko magawa yung ito.
Yung alin? Hindi, pabaliktad eh.
Contra. Hindi pala combat. Contra.
Gabitin mo si Ken. Tsaka si Akuma. Ken yung Akuma.
Circuit, circuit.
9 ka.
Circuit, circuit. Circuit, circuit. Oh, shoot.
May zero.
I'm off huffing and puffing like no other.
1 ka.
Tatlo.
It's patay. No tampo. 15.
Ang ball.
Eh. Eh. Six star.
Yung.
Seven pa. Oh.
Nakikinis ka ba talaga, buddy, or what?
Birdie.
Birdie.
1 second.
Birdie.
Bunot.
Magkat-kat, barukat ka tapos.
Bunot.
Barukat. Okay.
3 cars. Coin. Cha. Four sticks. Okay. What? No? Bonus.
That one, one second.
Okay. Go ahead and fix it. Here.
You don't want that, you can just take one.
You don't want that.
Because you don't want that, you can just take one.
So if I fix you, I have to joke.
Na ano? Ayan o. Nabunot pa 6 sticks.
It was before the fifth, you're kidding.
Oh, no, I have the
Two
two.
jokes,
I have the two sticks, Luke. I can't give it to you. There's no way. Kasi sa pair. It wasn't my pair to fold.
I have two jokes for you.
And that's all you needed. I bunot the 6 sticks. Cha, sa turn na.
This is you.
Hey,
Yeah.
Turn that one off. Hold the bar over there. Yeah. First turn off controller.
Why?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do?
And then connect that one.
Hindi, connected din ka na yan. Which one? Yeah. Yeah, yun natin babahan. Ba't yung song yun?
Okay. First one more than you can tell. Hold on.
Okay, Brian connected one again.
No, I think it's fine.
Ay, dahil na.
Try the other one. Try the other one.
Wala na, lasing na
No,
sila.
Brian connected the other one. But
Lasing na.
you're playing a different center. So try that one right there. Try the other one, dude.
No, I only have one. I only have one.
Don't
Lore.
believe it.
I only have one.
Don't believe it.
But I haven't bunot yet.
Go the rest. Who's turn?
Yours,
Your turn,
buddy.
We've been waiting for you.
Not a joker, Luke. And it's Flores. See, we need to announce it to you and tell you. Versus you praying.
Yeah, down
I
four.
think that's the best.
Yup.
Your turn now.
Wala.
No more?
Parang mas matabang siya kaysa sa mahaba. O nasanay sa mahaba.
Mahal tayo kahit pa mahal.
Parehas lang.
Ayaw ko na. No more na.
Ayaw ko na din. Nakikipap-pap lang ako sa'yo.
4, 8, 12, 17.
Nakikipop-pop lang ako. Ayun na si Tarico eh.
8, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 balls. No, 3 balls. 3 balls.
So you should have waited, buddy. Not gonna throw it. Oh.
Sino ka? Hindi ako ma.
Joke. He needs it.
Lucky. Ito pa nyo ba?
Binisita daw siya ni Brandon.
Mating ba yan?
Oh, wow. Really, buddy? You gonna drink it like that?
Yes, 12 already?
Ano mo? Does it look like it?
Yes, 13 po.
I tried paying you. I didn't want to take it.
Thank God.
Oh, what are you doing?
No.
Why?
Check the bonus.
Respect. Luge. Oh.
Oh.
Luge. Oh. Angkar. Bo, 15.
14.
No, 4 of the flower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 15. Tama ba?
5, 10, 16.
Ano may kasi mo?
16. Oh my God, it's because I only have 1. That's
One
why.
ka, two.
And your Kajak only has 4. 5. The possibility is the possibility.
One shot.
Yeah, 1 cup.
I threw
You
that.
don't need that.
Oh, hindi ko. That's what I was gonna say. I threw that.
Ano combo?
Three car. Oh, over there.
Yeah. No, I wanted to flip one of this.
But how is it before the fifth you had to throw?
Yeah, after this cow, whatever you were gonna throw.
Was I the fifth?
Yes.
Here, Rumble.
Was I the fifth?
Ano ka? Gamitin mo sila kung si Ken tsaka si ano.
Sorry.
That's why I said okay. Like, okay. Sixteen. Oh, that's what I needed. You're 7. 4-7. Hindi, tatapos ko yan.
Nakakuha ko ng tampang.
Tatapos ko. As bunod, right, Lou?
No, no. Me too.
What? The Kai?
No. One more.
That's why I say I have the two jokes. It was before the fifth.
If you would have gotten the ano, the one. Oh, but I threw it. Mine was literally before the fifth. The moment I got your 9 sticks. But it was 4 car and 7 car. It was really Medina. I would have ended up throwing the 3 sticks if I were
Yung
to,
dalawa ko
if I were to bunot.
Picture ng camera, sabi ni Vincent, ayos po. Ayun, baka dyan naman tumulong si Mother.
Maari.
Ay, naka-adjust yun.
Siguro may
Ano ba?
Hindi pa. 2, 4, 6, 7. Ay, Manong, no?
Yes.
Ay, yung ganun.
Pwede may pagkain pa ba dyan? What?
Ah, hindi, nandun pa.
Wala si Jan, ah.
What's that?
Steady on AI.
Ito, ito siya.
Ito talaga ang pagkakita niya.
Ano na?
Ito lang kaibigan.
Ikat na, nagugutom na rin sir eh.
Ito ang pagkakita natin. Wala kang harap nito. Sino na?
Ikaw. 2. That's a lot, Lou.
No, not enough. Should have 13
You have
by
8.
now. Should have 13 by now.
No more.
No, should have 13.
Only one.
8.
Only one.
Tama? 8.
Only one. Only one.
One.
Only
Wala
one.
na.
Only one.
No mas.
Wala na.
Ah, idiot.
Wala na. Wala na.
Ano ba?
Wala
Yeah.
na.
Ayun, nagbubukas.
Wala na. Wala na. Wala na.
Did you really have 8?
Yes. I really did.
Sino ba una?
Are you happy?
Hindi ko.
Can't believe you, bro. Hope you're proud of
I
yourself.
don't even ask you. You have 8?
Hope you're proud of yourself,
10.
bro.
5. 6.
I don't care. I want your flowers.
Eddie, don't.
Wow. Out of all of them, huh? Out of all of them?
I never said it was gonna easy, but it was gonna be easy, but
Yeah.
I said 6. You know what I keep forgetting? I was gonna bring like the tiles here to see how it's gonna work. The smaller one. I keep forgetting.
Is it Key and Peele?
Ah,
Come on. Show. Show to the Jews.
same health, tawag din.
Lagi mo ngayon. When I got to. Aaron.
Ano, the full pulse.
Six bells. Hindi pa nakurin yung manong.
Oh, yung full
Manong
pulse,
Fire.
yung podcast nila ako nito. Full pulse, the full pulse.
Ano rin yung Man on Fire? Man on Fire. I promise.
What's man on fire na?
Bong. Yung si ano,
episode na ako.
si...
Ay.
Ano yun si Denzel
Oh,
Washington?
that's right.
Ano pa?
Okay, ano yan yung tawag. Guess what ang pinapanood nila?
Ano?
Series.
Na ano?
Netflix.
Na ano? Na ano?
Running Time.
I watched that.
Yeah, after Rebellion.
I watched that. I watched First Point. Yeah. I watched it.
Nirecommend daw ni
Yeah.
Eric na maganda.
I watched it. Di maganda nga. It's funny. Eh, yun, medyo natawa ako. Yeah. Yun, medyo natawa ako doon. Kaya, dalawang ano yun, dalawang season. Yes.
Yeah, palabas na nga yung season.
Dalawang season.
Upcoming season.
Ito.
Ah, shoot.
Nakabunot pa naman ako, Joe.
Okay, nakabunod ka na.
Ano din? Yung ikot.
Dapat kasi pinaka mo yung 5.
5, 6, 7.
Oh, 6, 7, 8.
Apat-apat nga. Oh, 7, 8, 8, 9. Puro apat. Kaya tayo wala yung Joe.
1 year, sinabi niya.
Wala.
Laba. Sinig mo?
Kanina.
Ako, I don't know.
Did you? Pagdating ko, andyan.
Oh, dyan.
Ano?
Fake news.
Sila mo the weekend, no?
6, you.
14. We were 15.
So eat what we should.
We should order.
Burger? Parang di makain ni Julio yung pagsikat.
Nakunin mo nga yung gamot ko muna. Plus piso. Nasa may packet. Yung sa
Gutom
side.
din ako.
Yung kulay pala na
Kumain pa sana ako sa ano eh, kaya lang, ang dami dito ng lalaki, sabi ako na muli. Oo, mahirap tumilos kanina. Sige.
Say naman. You want the flower? I'll take it.
Ay, teka. Meron akong dalawang
Ganda
extra.
na nga siya, kung kung gutom na si Jeffrey.
Ba, ano, pwede nga natin ano. Hindi, maaga ako lumisig dahil darating si parang kayo eh.
Ang tagal ng ginawa, no?
2 hours.
Ginawa ka na niya pa.
Hindi, ano naman siya, kaya lang sabi niya, ano nga,
They like my, ano.
is debating kung kukunin niya yung trabaho na yun.
Hindi.
Dahil first time niyang gumawa ng ganoon.
Sabihin mo na agad sa kanya, Luis, I will have one.
Wait.
No, Kuya Jeff is mine.
I know, eh. Bunot already. So it's my turn. Oh,
Hindi
it's
pa.
you. Ay, hindi ka ba kumukuha?
Hindi ba?
Oh, shoot. That's Flores. The bunot. The bunot. Ay, no. Don't think. Oh, yeah, you did. Flores.
It's not.
Yes, it worked.
And only you could do that, I swear.
Binigyan ko na nga lang, ano eh, 20 pang stick.
Don't you wanna jinx me?
Technical pang,
I only have two.
IKEA sa 150.
Nobody cares.
Ano ako kasama na tayo nila, di ba? Booster, booster.
You're Kuya Jeff.
Hindi kasi sila sa IKEA eh. Actually, nung...
Hindi, task rabbit ako, hindi sa amin.
Oo, hindi.
Wait, your turn again.
Partner lang. Partner ng ano.
What? What would you like to order, Kuya Charles?
Ayan nga, meron nga review and tip eh. Pero binigay ko na
Halala.
No, man.
Pero hindi rin to si Carl. Kung mag-assemble sila sir, parang sa kanlay, nakaupo lang sila sa sahig. Ang ba? Ganon din.
Bakit ganun din naman mag-assemble si Sepo nga?
Kaya nga.
Kaupo lang.
Parang ganon nga sila.
Joker.
Oo, ang ganon.
Wow.
It's 9.
Wow.
Ano ba sa isip nyo? Tingin nyo, burger or ano?
Stick.
Sticks, please.
What do you think?
Sticks, yeah.
Which one though?
Two.
7. Wow. Oh.
Can you please count again?
Ipang you, no? Tamo
Ah,
may
bring
isip.
in good cross too.
9, wala.
There it is.
9 tala. It's really 9. Yeah.
What did I tell you?
Look, I have
No,
all
it's
this.
9. I'm gonna win.
Is that why you said sticks?
Yeah, look, I have all the sticks here.
I didn't want sticks because look, my sticks is only this.
Oo,
9
yan
or
ako
8. Yeah. That's it. That's all the sticks that I have.
Super pang ako. You're very
Ayan o. Kakangin ni Luke.
Sabi ko may buntot eh, nasulit na.
And I thought the moment he said may buntot, I thought it was 7 sticks.
Yun din, hinihiling ko dahil pala kung po,
He's like, there's buntot. 7 sticks. How many?
Four.
Ano naisip mo, Carl?
Hindi ba kayo?
Ako kahit ano gusto ko ma-order lang.
Kaya na, hindi ba kayo prepare.
Lost in the sauce?
What did you say?
No, lost in the sauce? Almost.
Although, I only have ano ha. I only have 1,
Wait.
4, 8, 12, 15.
Yung preference na yun.
Wala. It's not.
Anything?
I have to really say blue. I only have 1, ha?
I don't like that.
It seems to work.
Diyan, di ba kayo?
Akin na ba? Yeah. Sige, sir. Bunot.
No, thank you. You can't jinx me anymore. No mas Luke. 11, 3, 6, 9. 3, 6, 9, 10, 11. Oh my God. Thank God. Oh my God. Thank God I don't not have Flores. 6. Card. Or
2.
8 sticks.
What the?
Hindi, card. 9.
Okay,
7. I did say card first before 8 sticks.
Uli. 15. Ano mo, man? Combo.
I don't know.
Naalala ko pag nahuli mo ng ganun, Joker Susan.
Douglas.
Sarado na yun. Ito may nakita ko yung
9
urban
sticks,
skill
guys.
eh.
9 sticks.
Parang Douglas din. Mukhang masarap naman siya.
9 sticks. Ako french fries lang.
French fries, ang French fries.
French fries.
Sides niya.
Yes.
Super. Yan, huli.
Fans, what are we gonna do with these cards? If we get that, we get
Eh, baka
that.
Jeff, may naisip
And
ba kayo?
then, what?
Kaya ito yung
Gonna
load.
Wala.
Pong. Thank you.
You
6 sticks. Me and 14 only.
17 eh.
14 only. 2 car.
Huli ka.
Huli ka. Pagka-slide mo ng ano, nakita.
Two balls.
Nahuli mo sabay super.
Douglas, sarado yata.
Okay, gamitin mo
Sarado.
pa Sigayo.
7 spikes.
Six ka.
Ayan.
Wait a minute. No mas. Bunot. Louis said, oh, thank God. To save my joker.
Ano itong burger 3,000?
Ay, yung saan
Ayun
yan?
yung dati yung nasa side. 7 course.
I don't know what that is.
Pero nandun yan sa ano nga na ngayon, may kilaris na, di ba?
Olo, where did this come from?
Wala. Oh.
No mas. 9 balls. Go over there. Sabi ko na, I saw it something. What?
Wala.
No way.
Here, here.
It's dead. Yung sasit. 17.
Coming, buddy. I just give you all my cards. I just give you all my hat.
It's all ano.
Ah, okay,
17.
sige.
Oh, that's what you need.
Oh, yung ano. Yung papakita.
Potato corner na ngayon.
Potato corner na.
No. Over there.
And over there.
Mm.
Yan, sa Instagram.
Ha?
Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Four.
Sino yung...
Tanong nila, sira yun lang yun. Horyuki pa! Iyan ka.
Yun.
Dead.
Dead.
Louis sasit.
Yun.
Dead. Lou Hasit.
Ready.
You see this, Lou? Thank you for the 7 balls.
Oh. Ito na.
Because I had the other 4.
Ito na.
4, 5, 6.
Ito na, guys.
Kayo.
I saw that.
Yeah.
See you. I thought I saw that. Patay.
Patay.
1, 2, 3.
Dead.
Hindi na lang ang buhay. Wala na, ay nadaya din ano eh.
Four.
Dead. No, tsaka hindi Hasit.
Yeah.
Right there.
Two sticks. Yan na.
Thank you, sir. Ang ina, hindi ako nagpapay attention.
Ah!
Ang ina, yung 8 car pala patay na.
Kung
Nasalo na
ang
ako.
lakas na puro sa 7 pares.
O, tangina
Puro
oh.
paningit na
Diyos,
lang.
para tayo ang tanga ko. Hindi ko na po ang 1 ball. Todas ako sa 2 sticks na. Tangina, hindi ko nagpapay.
I know.
Buset! Buset! Buset!
No, ang puro.
Me too. Okay, kailangan talaga natin kumain.
Sinira ko lang, sir.
Putang ina 1 ball, di ko pinong.
Pinalakas ko lang.
Oo, ano.
Ay, ang tanga ko
7 pares
nga.
yan. Paningit.
Ano kailangan mo?
3 sticks.
Ito sa akin.
4 balls. Okay.
Ah, ito.
Pinalakas ko lang para may up and down ako.
Hindi, nung kinang ko to, hindi ka pa puro?
Hindi pa.
Ah, sorry. Pero mas tanga ako. Putang ina 1 ball, hindi ko na po.
Puro nga ako. Dahil tinatong lang dun eh.
Where are you gonna throw?
Ayun oh.
5? You should have.
Kinang ko eh. Diba? Kinang ko eh. Diba gumanong pa ako? Sabi ko, thank you Lou for the 7 balls and then inano ko. Sa gasa.
Hindi, mag-3, 4, 5 ka.
7. Todas, 4 balls.
3-4 na po ako eh.
Magkasalamat ka lang, Luis. Ang tanga ko sa 1 ball, tangina.
Pagtingin ko kay Luis.
Oh my God, kailangan natin kumain yan ay.
Oh my
Kailangan yung
God.
price nyo.
Ang tanga ko sa 1 ball.
Kaya kay Jeff, agad yung burger. Ito lang natin yung
Sabi ko, bullshit.
sa burger 3,000.
Ayun, that's my puro. 2 sticks.
Ang tao sa burger and fries.
But I still have
Single lang po.
2 1 ball and 4 car. 2 4 car. Yeah.
Aba yung price tayo, you want anything? Burger 3,000.
What the
Ano
hell?
ba yung cheeseburger lang?
No, you sure?
Ako private pricing.
Smash. Smash burger. Aba you look.
I guess
Smash.
everybody's really
Smash
hungry.
burger.
Nobody's paying attention. Your Kuya Jeff is Tonas.
Sure. Price, side, snack on, fries.
Grabe yun eh.
Ito Joe. Price, snack, fries, burger. What price you like?
Ano ba? Bakit iba-iba price?
Classic, season fries, meat beef fries.
Season price is
Season.
always.
Chop cheese fries.
No, season
Mozzarella
price.
sticks. Onion rings.
Season price.
Okay.
No. You know what I think it is, no? Your Kuya Jeff didn't want to rob me. Freaking 1 ball. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? What is
Go
happening?
sir.
What is happening in the world?
Si Debbie. Ayaw din.
Ayaw ni Debbie kahit shake?
May milkshake ba doon?
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Wala, wala.
Hindi ko alam saan
You
yun.
know?
I don't know.
Ewan ko ngayon. Dati kasi, they're just in... Papa.
I only want french
May
fries.
nakapag-coffee tayo tayo na masakit yung mga.
Say I.
I don't wanna do anything, huh? Today na.
Ayun.
Ayun, tinulong na yata ni Chang.
Hmm? Ako ba?
Yeah, yeah. Yung manok.
I cannot believe I missed the one ball, guys.
I know.
What is the fuck?
Thank ko lang na miss mo yun, tapos hindi na rin.
Your turn, Tito Shop.
It was inside. Ato? I miss it. What is the front door? Sayang yung kay Pinoy. Sinagasa ako, todo siya dun. 4, 8,
Yeah, right, yeah.
Yeah, kasi ano eh, binigyan lang ako nito ng 7 balls, kaya I was able to ano, sagasa da ano.
Order, puro 5,
What did you need?
5, 8.
Balls? 6? No, I don't have it. The only 6 I have is 1 3.
Boy,
Yung sa akin, gusto yan.
Did you ask her? Naku lang milkshake dyan, no?
no, arrow.
You. No, I got.
Dan.
Dito. 4, 8, 12, 16.
No, I think it was here.
Oh, here.
It was here.
Manilip ka muna.
Let me see first. Yeah, it was there. No more? No more later? Wala na.
No, I have 3 jokers.
Ano ka naman sana?
Manok, I mean,
Ay.
Buong araw na naman siya, diba? Sa summer na.
9 balls, guys.
grabe.
Ito.
9 car, guys.
May bungang araw is crazy, guys.
Told us?
This is
Yeah.
not what I need.
What? Buddy, why you told?
Wait, I'm sitting at
Ha?
Don't worry, I'll give it to you next. Here.
Oh, they got moonshakes.
Oh, see, I told you. What is that? Is that like a milkshake?
What is it?
Yeah,
Moonshake.
moonshake.
Oh,
Yeah, I
yeah,
think they just call it moonshake.
9 car, 9 car.
Basically
Oh,
milkshake.
Hinahanap ko si ano, pare ko yun.
Forget na kayo. Nice.
Pong. No, Pong, because I have
I'm like, what? How are you gonna pong? Are you lying?
Pwede mo order for pizza.
Meron?
Pong.
Toast lang.
Ay, eto na pala yung isusuot ko sa tingin. Wasn't I saying it?
Hindi mo bunot yan.
Hindi. 3 sticks.
3 balls.
3 sticks.
Bro, when are these cards, bro?
May price yun sa inyo pa ka, Jeff? Oo, please.
Tulad ng dati. May pag-asa pa ba? Susuko ka na.
2 balls.
Yan yung una
8
mo.
sticks.
That's the first one.
So what? I'm like, why are you doing this? That was his told us earlier.
Oh.
It's
Can you
his
do that? We gonna pick 14? Oh. And, 6 count.
Sabihin ko sa akin.
Hindi, tinignan ko
Wala
yun.
yung
Baba.
Baka kumamaya, namimiss ka na naman.
Ready?
Pongi. 1 Carius.
Hong Kong.
Pongi. Kodasi.
You? 5 balls.
Pongi.
Kasi,
Hindi na Pongi. Ay.
2-5.
Oh, sure, sure. Joker.
Dapat bunot niya?
Yes.
Ang Joker eh. Joker.
What did you need, no?
Marker.
So what were you gonna do with Panther?
No, I needed,
With the bahay?
yeah, with the one hand already.
I threw 8 sticks. Why didn't you put? Oh, it's your pair. You needed to bunot.
Bunot. 1 birdie, or 5.
Oh no, and who threw the bird?
No, but I needed to bunot it.
Oh, to diket, to diket, to diket.
For my 6 pair. This is mine.
Who's mano? Julius? Oh, you. Yeah. And then that's because Julius last.
leave it. Select character. Sabihin na lang.
Oh, so give you random?
Ha?
He gave you random?
Sort of.
How many you have?
Wala.
Tais. I saw it.
Pumasok na sa akin. Yan, sige.
Ay, yung ano? Susu. Or egg. Right. Hindi ano. Ikaw at ako.
Dalawa lang ang Flores.
Ako ba meron pa? 4, 8, 12, 16. No mask.
No mas.
No mask.
See? Galing ko, di ba? You see that?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Flores. I have.
Your turn, Susan.
Me no mask. Pay your mana, right? Right, Luke?
You are. No more.
Wow.
What is it?
6 the bell. 2 sticks.
Two sticks foam.
2 sticks.
No.
No.
Mamali.
Steven. That's what I was like. 6. Why?
4 balls.
Nine, 6. Kung susuko ka na, parang mo tayo. Before the pick.
Ah.
I was before the tip too.
What did you
Where
need?
you? Where you?
8 sticks. 9.
No, you're not. You still have this.
Well, no, I have my. That's my.
That's Joker.
I could use that. I'm already full
Oh. No. You are correct. Use this here.
I know that.
Oh,
Pala yung naamoy ko.
Ay, hindi. Thanks, buddy.
Hindi. Hindi ko.
May alam niyo kung ano na pag-isipan.
Yung loan.
So, you 7. Talaga ngayon ka pa sumulit.
So, lang
Yung Lomi.
pero hindi yung sa laban ni Jake Paul.
Hindi yung Lomi. Oh my God. Travis na.
Kaya mo pa
Itlog.
Yung basaga mo ng itlog.
Yun nga. Yun nga. Grabe.
Meron din kami sa
Alam mo yung Lomi.
Sisig na na. O, ayun sa ano. Ito ang binili ko. Pantero.
And then that's the this.
Ano pala sir, pumili ka nun? Pantero na lang. Kaya minuto yan. Tapos daw ka lang kakain.
Kasi ayun pala na kayo.
Pwede kang bumili ng ano eh. Bumili ka ng lomi na ano. Tapos yung gamitin mo yung ano. Gamitin mo yung nakapanghari na.
Tapos pwede mo pang dagdagan ng mga kung ano kayo sa vegetable lang. The polio, ganun.
Sobrang pugo.
Sila. Kung susuko ka na. Baka I can't see how many hours. Ilan na oras?
Guys, guys.
Ang floor is
Flour.
2 hours. Ano?
2
2
hours.
hours and a half.
Okay, hold on. So you don't want